everyone, I am Shresam. Today I am going to tell you a story called The Pot of Desire. Once a farmer lived in Veerpur village with his wife. He had some land. He was earning enough money for his living but wasn't happy. He wanted to be rich like others. One day in the evening, when he was returning home from his field, he heard a voice asking him, "Do you want wealth? Do you want to become rich?" The farmer got scared. He turned around, but no one was there. He ignored and continued walking. After a minute, he heard the same voice. This time, he gathered some courage and answered, "Yes, I want wealth." A known voice replied, "Okay, if you want wealth, go to home. There are 7 pots filled with gold coins waiting for you." Farmer reached his house quickly. It was true that there were 7 pots. He showed them to his wife and said, "Oh dear, see, God has blessed us. He has given us wealth." They both became very happy. He opened lids of the pots, one after one. All the 6 pots were fully filled with gold coins, but the 7th was half filled. Farmer had enough wealth for his lifelong happiness, but still he was not happy. He thought somehow he has to fill the 7th pot with gold. Both husband and wife worked hard day and night to earn money. Instead of using that money for living, they spent that for buying gold to fill the 7th pot. Like this, they passed many years, but the 7th pot was never filled. One day, a sage came to their home and asked the couple, "Why still the 7th pot is not full?" Farmer and his wife wondered that how the sage know about the pots. The sage said, "Are you thinking that how I got to know about the pots? I am the one who gave you those pots. The 7th pot is the pot of desire. There is no end to human desire, so that pot is never filled. Instead of being happy with the wealth what you have got, you wasted all your time and hard-earned money to fill that pot of desire. Disturb our mind and destroys peace." Saying this, sage left from there. As soon as the sage left, those 7 pots disappeared, and the farmer repented for their mistake. Thank you. Bye-bye.